Welcome to PFTV, Spetu Asanda. Asanda, talk to us.
Yeah, man. It's not over until God says it's over. I think sonke siyakhona ukubona ukuzwa ngalo izwi lelo lisho kanjalo. I think also this is the competition that we've been waiting for a very long time. And ukhumbula ukuthi it's not easy to win ama game. Njalo win ama game. Ku-heavy nyana ngi-heavy manje because ngiyazi ukuthi i-Sundowns mayisuka la ikhona into engayenza but nakhona asiluzanga, we didn't lose the game yabo. So yeah, I still believe ukuthi we can do this.
Yeah, I still believe we can do this. Asanda, who was your standout performer today?
Yeah, yazi ungabuka kancane. I think Umbatha for mina today. No, he played a very big role today. Ngokuzimisela in the middle. No matter singaba nazo izinto singaboni ngaso lunye. Nokuthi ubani nobani udlala kanjani nobani, but Umbatha for mina he stand up today. Udlale kahle kakhulu, ngiyambeka vele ku man of the match for today because bungeke ubone but indlela abadlala ngayo lapha ku middle they are doing a very big role. Yeah.
And then we saw Master Chef today after a long time coming in for Uketheni. Do you think now we should start, or do you think we should gradually bring him in the team?
Yeah. Let me welcome the boy first as well because khumbula ukuthi makangekho emagemini amaningi, so ngiyamamukela kakhulu umboy makabuye egemini. Inkulumo ezikhulunywa ngabanye abantu bangazinaki man. Even amanye ama fans akhuluma ukuthi hi this and this is happening to him. Abantu bayagosipa, people who always gossip, you understand? Yeah. And siphila lokho empilweni. So uboy anganaki nabantu abamfollow abamthandayo abamlandelayo banganaki lezo zinto lezo. There's nothing like that. Umuntu mangabonakala ngethimini akusho ukuthi kunento personal for yena empilweni yakhe. Cha, siyazi ukuthi ube nenokho, so we will take that. Yeah.
Nyaguzo Asanda, it's 9 cup finals to go. Do you think we must win all those games now, because now there's no room for error now and it's no longer in our hands? Now we'll be relying on our noisy neighbors to help us and do a job on Sundowns.
Yeah, that is why I'm saying it's not over until God says it's over. I also added by saying we cannot able to win all the games as long as we don't lose. Yeah, we can take the draw, bro, because ngabantu phela nabo laba kusimatshe ngabantu, yabona. So somehow we will draw and we carry on, bro. Yeah.
No, thanks Asanda. Bupa.